Yo, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm gonna show you how to use the Tradingview chat feature. All right, this is gonna be a really quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first step would be to select the chat option. So go ahead and select the chat option from the menu. And this is going to take you to the chat page where you can join and create chat rooms. Step two would be to join a chat room. So join a chat room and start chatting with other users. You can join public chat rooms, or you can choose to create your own private chat rooms. Step three will be to use chat commands. So you can use chat commands to customize your chat experience. You can use commands to change your nickname, to join and leave chat groups, as well as to do many more things on that. So the fourth step will be to share ideas and insights. So share ideas and insights with other users. You can share chat indicators and other analysis to help others make informed trading decisions. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview chat feature. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys